Come the new year, you'd better keep your hands on the wheel at 10 and 2, otherwise you may have to pay up. A new law going into effect in January bans California drivers from holding a cell phone in their hands for any reason. Talking and texting on handheld devices while driving has already been off the table in the state, but things like scrolling through Facebook or Snapchat has been technically legal. Under Assembly Bill 1785, signed into law in September, it will be illegal to use your phone unless the device is mounted on the dashboard or windshield or is in voice activation mode. While mounted, the new law allows the driver to touch the phone once to activate or deactivate a feature with the motion of a single swipe or tap of the driver's finger. It's very unclear how one swipe will be monitored in high-speed traffic. Nevertheless, a violation is $20 for the first offense and $50 for each subsequent offense. Emergency service professionals like police officers and firefighters are exempt, so long as they're using a wireless device for the job they're doing. A whopping 80% of vehicle crashes involve distracted driving, according to the California Office of Traffic Safety. Talking or texting is the most common source. I'm Sean Dowling for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.